Hello everyone, welcome to another video and let's get into it.
Samsung may have ended the Note branding, but the lineup lives on in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as we are waiting for a successor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, scheduled to be launched in February. We have important news that might change the way you use Samsung's foldables, especially the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You see, even though the S series is now taking the legacy of the Note forward, but everyone knows that the Galaxy Z Fold series is better poised to push the ideals of the Galaxy Note further. And the reason is pretty simple. The larger screen surface area in the Z Fold phones provides a much better S Pen experience than the small screen on the candybar S series handsets. Samsung knew this, and that's the reason they added the S Pen support to the Galaxy Z Fold lineup with the Z Fold 3 last year. But there was a big problem. The company didn't provide integrated S Pen slot on the device. The result, people didn't use it much because it's impractical to carry the pen. Yes, Samsung provided a case to store, but that was an inefficient solution as the case added unnecessary bulk, ruining the experience. The same thing happened with the Z Fold 4 as well. It still didn't have a slot for the pen, hindering the experience. But it seems the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might finally solve this problem. A reputed South Korean publication, The Elect, reports that Samsung has renewed its efforts to bring the S Pen slot to the Z Fold 5. The report mentions that Samsung wants to make the foldables more popular, as they think foldables will replace regular candybar phones in the future. They have apparently a few key goals to accomplish with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So they have asked their supplier to make necessary changes and overcome the limitations. One of them is a dedicated slot for the S Pen. We've been asking this for years, and it seems we are finally getting it with the Z Fold 5. But this is not an easy path, because the report also mentions that Samsung wants the Z Fold 5 as light as possible and comfortable to use for long periods. By making it thinner, it also has to take into consideration the battery life. Adding a built-in S Pen will not only add weight to the device, but also take up precious space that could have been used for a bigger battery or other components. So hopefully they figure this out. The report also says that Samsung want to reduce the crease on the screen, which is about time, and they also want to improve the cameras as well. They did improve the cameras with the Z Fold 4, but it lacks a key feature in modern flagships, the periscope zoom camera. So I hope improving cameras means including this camera on the Z Fold 5. Now, to reduce the weight, Samsung has asked its suppliers to include a new lighter vibration motor without affecting the quality. Samsung expects Apple to enter the foldable scene in 2024, but with tablets instead of iPhones. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.